Everyone carries a world inside them, full of thoughts they never say, feelings they never show. But somehow, they still smile, still pretend. This is a story about that silence, about wanting to be seen, not for the mask, but for the soul underneath, about finding the courage to just be me.
Hey, saan ka ka? Laang mo man. Kaya na.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Zane. Where are you?
Asa kape po kami ni Dominic.
Kasama mo pala yung kapatid mo. Pakiramsap na.
Ay ma, nga pala may papakita ko. Nabigyan ako award promising student sa org namin, kaya surprise sana siya. Ito po.
Ay, org na naman. Anak, ilang beses ko bang sinasabi, yung mga ganyan, hindi yun practical. Walang future dyan.
Pero ma,
sayang lang ang oras
naganapan
mo.
ko to. Marami naman nakakita ng value dito.
Value? Ang mga lalaki dapat nasa varsity, nasa sports, gaya ng kuya mo. Tignan mo si Zane. Matatanggap na sa US University at may scholarship pa ha. Hindi drawing-drawing lang ang inaatupag kagaya mo. Sayang lang yung mga ganyan mo. Sige na nga, ibalik mo muna sa kuya mo.
Ma'am, can you call later?
Damn! Ang hot nito, oh! Seriously, mas kumukha ka pang babae kasi sa akin sa mga dala mong products.
Hoy, is it bad mag-skincare?
I don't know, Dom. Kaya nga pumayag na mag-pair tayo eh, kasi you had the looks. And I thought you were different. Pero like, ewan, you don't seem like the typical hot guy na gusto ko. I know na you wanted to pursue me. And ramdam ko naman na gusto mong sabihin na you like me. Pero, Dom, I don't think na mag-work tayo.
What? I'm confused. I thought you...
Look, Dom, I tried naman eh. Pero I don't think na mag-work. Like, pinabaan ko pa nga yung standards ko para lang sa'yo eh. I mean, I don't think I feel happy. I mean, you're good. Pero, part of me, I don't think it's not enough.
Listen, I don't know what to say.
Oh, I get it. You want the typical bold guy.
Daphne, do you think I'm gay?
Huh? No! Hindi naman sa ganun. But, I don't know, you kinda look like one minsan.
Okay, I get it.
Sorry, Dom ha. Bye!
Okay, class, before I end this class, I would like to congratulate Dom as you have been chosen for a special project. Create an artwork for Art Bank. So that's all, class dismissed.
Gosh, I'm so excited din sa artwork mo. For sure, maganda na naman ito.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Ano kaya magawa ko? natin sino.
Hindi drawing-drawing lang ang inaatong pagkagaya mo. Walang future dyan. Sayang lang ang oras mo.
Ewan, you don't seem like the typical hot guy na gusto ko.
I don't know. What's the point?
Hello, ma.
Alam mo, Zane, iniisip ko na talaga. Baka kailangan sa natin ilibang ng school si Dobby. Kasi parang masyado na siyang nag-e-enjoy dun sa mga club-club na sinasalihan niya. Dapat, boys like him should be out there, you know, doing some boy stuff. And I was thinking na...
Ma, seryoso ka?
Of course! I just want what's best for him. Ano pang ginagawa niya ngayon? Pagdodrawing? Ano pong mapapala yan? Hindi na ba dapat ang ginagawa ng mga lalaki? Hindi naman, di ba?
Ma, stop.
Ano?
Tama na yung ganyan mo. Kailan ka ba magigising? The world is changing. People are changing. Si Dominic is doing what he loves. Ba't parang kasalanan yun? Bakit kailangan siyang itama kung wala naman siyang maling ginagawa? Until when, ma? Until when mo ipipilit na lalaki lang pwede maging ganito o ganyan? Hindi mo ba nakikita kung gaano siya nasasaktan? Hindi lahat ng laban nasa court. Minsan, yung pinakamatinding laban nasa loob. And sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, ma. He's fighting every single day just to be himself. That's brave! Mas brave pa kaysa sa ating lahat.
Kamusta ka na lately? Pwede ko rin itanong sa'yo yan. Ba't di mo sinabi na aalis ka na?
Sasabihin ko dapat sa'yo last time, but things got a little intense, so...
Sorry kung growing up together, I never had the courage to stand up for you as well your brother. Alam ko kung gaano kabigat yung kinakasakit. Nakikita ko, pero lang ako. Alam kong ako dapat yung muna magpwede takbuhan when you're feeling down. Pero natatakot din kasi ako eh. Kasi kahit ako, tinatry kong ma-reach yung expectation ni mama.
Kala ko noon, you don't care about me. Kala ko noon, isa ka rin sa mga hindi nakakita sa akin. I have a question, Kuya. Sa mga ginagawang art, sa poetry, sa writing, is it ever enough? Do you think I'm playing it safe?
See? Paano mo nasabi?
Sa expectation ng mundo ngayon towards sa lalaki, dapat hindi ganito ka-soft. Dapat mas bold, mas assertive. Pero ganito ako eh. I like this kind of stuff. Mali ba yun?
Dom, that's not weakness. And you are not playing safe, okay?
It's better to be safe than sorry.
Pero minsan, kailangan mo din ng konting leap of faith.
Thanks, Kuya.
One step at a time, bro. Kahit anong mangyari, proud ako sa'yo.
And I finally did. So this is my artwork. It's about vulnerability, expression, and inner thoughts. The leaves symbolizes us the unspoken words and thoughts, while the torn up pages is the books that I've read, stories that deserves to be read or understood. choose to shape it into a tree, because while a tree may look strong and sturdy on the outside, it's still a living being like us. It wants to be nurtured, valued, and cared for. So, like a tree, I hope people see the value in me also. I realize in this generation, being soft is seen as weak, but I thought the other way. Having a deep, compassionate feeling about others is a strength. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, Ma.
Alam mo, minsan iniisip ko kung tama ba yung paraan ko. Akala ko kasi kung ipupush kita, mas makakatulong eh. Akala ko pag binilit kita, mabibuild ko yung gusto ko para sa anak ko, pero mali pala ako.
I know that, Ma, but it didn't feel much of a help. It felt more like I wasn't enough.
Lumaki kasi ako sa mundo na dapat yung mga lalaki ganito, dapat yung mga lalaki ganyan. At pasensya ka na kasi hanggang ngayon nag-a-adjust pa rin ako sa panahon natin ngayon eh. Pero alam mo ba anak, proud na proud ako sa'yo. Ngayon ko lang kasi na-realize na ako pa yung isang dahilan kung bakit napipigil ang pangarap mo. Kaya sana anak, mapatawad mo pa rin ako.
Thank you, Ma.
Nice poetry, by the way.
Thanks.
Hi everyone, I'm Dominic Del Valle, and this piece is entitled The Eyes Never Lie, so speak your mind. I made this back when I was still studying here. And as for this artwork, I wanted to showcase that everyone carries a world inside them, full of thoughts they never say or feelings they never show, but still pretends, still smiles. And I really wanted to reflect that in this artwork. And also, I believe that everyone deserves to be seen not for the mask, but for the soul underneath. About finding the courage just to be yourself, even if the world tells you to be someone else. Because growing up, I believe that life has two choices. Follow what you love or don't. And I chose to follow it. And that's all for me. Thank you everyone.